Coconut rum is a sweet and delicious drink made from rum and coconut flavor. It's popular in tropical places and great for mixing in fun cocktails or enjoying on its own. Now, listen, when looking for the best coconut rum, there's a few important things to keep in mind. So first of all, you gotta check the brand, bro. Okay, some well-known brands make tasty coconut rum like Malibu and Bacardi. Okay, these rums are very smooth. They have a nice coconut taste that many people love. So you want to find one that's made with real coconut for the best flavor. Okay. Another important factor is the alcohol content. Most coconut alcohols, rums, are about 21% alcohol. A little stronger than some fruity drinks. So always drink responsibly. Know your limits. And basically, you could always use coconut rum in many fun recipes. It's great for piña coladas mixed with pineapple juice and ice, smoothies, desserts, coconut rum cakes. Lastly, just remember that coconut rum is for adults. So if you're not old enough to drink, you could still enjoy the flavor just without the alcoholic drink. Okay? It's a smooth, tasty, fun beverage for everybody. Check it out. Those recommendations, you can also find them in the description.